All right. So I think we are live now, and I can see many of you are here live watching from different places. Right. So, hey everyone, welcome to the Grigora Adrastea launch event. I am Karan, co-founder and CEO of Grigora, and I'm so happy to have you all here live on YouTube. And before we get started, can you guys tell us in the chat, like from where are you watching and what time is it there? Because right now we are in India and it's about 10 p.m. right now here, and it's kind of fun to see people tuning in from different places. So can you please tell us from where you are watching? Okay, so you are watching from UK. Nice. Mhm. Nice, Sweden. We have from Sweden. Yeah, India. From where in India? Cool. So yeah, we have many people watching us live. So let's continue. So this is a really big moment for us because for the past year, our first version that was Metis, and that helped people to build websites quickly and easily. And it was our launchpad, the start of everything we have done so far. But today, I think it's time to move forward. And we are saying goodbye to Metis and introducing Adrastea. And I think it's named after Jupiter's second moon. And it's also kind of inspired by the idea of growth and courage in Greek mythology. So I think Adrastea isn't just an upgrade, it's kind of a complete step into the future. So now Grigora will be faster, smarter, and AI powered. So, and once I have read a line and it kind of stayed with me, and the line was, the future doesn't arrive all at once. It comes in waves. Each one builds on the last until one day it feels like it's inevitable. So, Mattis was kind of our first wave, and this Adrastea is the next one. And I think before sharing the presentation, I just want to tell you guys that some of the features of Adrastea that you will see right now, you will see them in next couple of hours in your account if you will join our live stream, or you can join our, you can say, waitlist. And some of the features that you will see in the slide, we will be rolling in batches, and till December, the Adrastea will be fully launched in your accounts. And that's it for introduction. Let's move ahead and let's see the presentation and what are the things that Adrastea has to offer. So I think my screen is visible now.
Yes.
So let's see what are the things that you can get in Adrastea. So as I already told that over the past year, Mattis helped thousands of creators build online. But the future belongs to speed, intelligence, and simplicity. So Adrastea combines all three to give you an experience where websites almost build themselves. And you can see the best part, some of these kind of website or some of the features that I will show you today will be gone live today itself. And here is the first feature in Adrastea, that is, you will get the AI powered editor. And it will be the complete revamp of our old editor. So now you can literally create an entire site using AI and in just few clicks. and this editor made me feel like more smoother, smarter, and faster. And it will also gives you layout ideas, content suggestions, and makes the whole process way easier and better. Also, I know there are many AI website builders out there, but right now they do create. Must say, like, they do create good websites, but once a website is generated, you can't easily edit it. You either have to regenerate everything or settle for what the AI gives you. So, do you guys agree with that or not? Like, I have seen many AI website builder there, but there is no feature of edit and drag and drop and other stuff on that. Yeah, people are saying yes. So yeah, that's the problem we there is in the existing AI website builder. So with Grigora, you can create website with AI and you can easily drag and drop to customize every section exactly like how you want. No compromises, no endless regenerations. So and though and we can say like the next feature will be there will be no blank starting page, and you can instantly create hero sections, testimonials, CTAs, and you can say like full blog page layouts using AI. And you can imagine like generating an entire blog page layout in seconds. That's launching early access users today. And then there are I have seen like people, you guys are asking, I am living in different country and my language is different, how can I create website in my language using Grigora? So now you can build websites in your language, and choose you can choose the language of your choice using the AI. So no matter where your audience is, you can connect with them in their own language effortlessly. Plus, we are continually expanding our library, and we are adding so many new elements. And I think this feature is also already live, and you guys will get it today. And the next thing we have will be the more SEO features. So right now, you guys see like there is no follow and no index option. This option is not present currently in Grigora, but we are working really hard to make sure that no follow, no index option for any web page, and adding robot.txt and other features. And you can also do like easily 30 and other redirects also, because these things are essential for every website. As you can create a number of website, and your website might be looking great, cool, or whatever, but if it's not indexed in Google or any other search engine or in ChatGPT, then it's of no use. So that's why we are focusing so much on SEO. And next, we have built-in email inbox. So now website owners needs email. As you already know, like, you if you have website, then if you don't have an email address of that domain, then it's not kind of look professional. So to make professional, and you don't have, and I know that you don't want to juggle from Grigora for website and some other platform for emails. So that's why we thought about creating an inbox feature right there in Grigora. So there will be no extra tools needed, and when someone replies to your newsletter or whatever, their message will land directly in your Grigora inbox. So you will never lose track of the conversations. And on top of that, you will see how people are engaging with your emails all in one simple view. And everything your site, everything you can say, your site, your email, your audience, and your newsletter, and everything will be connected in one platform, that is Grigora. And soon you will be able to instantly duplicate entire website, like structure, layout, and flow, and then adapt them perfectly to your brand with AI. And if you are the type of person who kind of like sketches or kind of wanna create like something like ideas on paper, you will love this. You will love our another feature, which is like you can say wireframe magic, where you have to just draw some kind of wireframes on paper and AI will convert it into an actual functioning website. So these feature will also be rolling out soon. And then another feature which was kind of demanding in our because I have seen many emails coming like do you have a video to blog feature or something like that. So yeah, soon you will take any video and instantly turn it into a blog post. It will be kind of it will have, it can create AI generated summaries, key points, and SEO optimization. So your videos will be automatically transcribed, your content will be optimized for search, and you can say creating engaging posts will just take a few clicks. And it won't stop there, and you will also see like you can say sliders and multimedia elements in the Grigora editor, so it will make many things kind of effortlessly. And then we have plan for the like white label and higher tier businesses. Like with white label plan, now you soon you will be unlock an option with advanced AI features designed for professional use. Like now I think you will be able to generate revenue by selling AI built websites under your own brand. And you can, there are many features like you can take recurring payments from them, and you can create different tiers as well, and other stuff as well. And the faster and with AI generated website, I think you will be able to generate websites much faster. So you will build and launch clients websites just in hours, not weeks. So Grigora won't just power your website, it will power your business. So that's it about Adrastea launch, and it will be rolling out soon after 2 hours of this launch for the early access users. And if you wanna get the link of the joining link for this new Adrastea, then you have to scan this QR code, or you can go to the link which is grigora.co/early access, and you have to enter your email and name there. And after a few hours, we'll be giving you the access to the AI website builder. So yeah, uh, that's it for my side. And now I am inviting my co-founder Pratik to take over, and he will walk you through a live demo so you can actually see like some of these features in action today itself. So Pratik, the stage is all yours.
Hello, hi. Thank you for the beautiful introduction. So, hi everyone. I'm Pratik. I'm the CTO of Grigora, and yes, I'm very excited to show you what we have built. And for the past 2 weeks, we are really working hard on this to make it work, to make it right, and uh, place a proper guardrails on what we generate is actually good for you. So let's jump right into the action. Um, is my screen visible?
Yeah, you can see that now.
Okay, all right. Perfect. So this is the Grigora dashboard, which is as usual. So let's create a new website. So now, along with using templates and creating it from scratch, we have another option, which is create with AI. So let's go ahead. So yes, we have built a very good UI for this as our second version, which is Adrastea, which is like a second moon of Jupiter. We have kept the theme to be Jupiter even. So we have worked really hard on the UI part for this. So here you can enter or describe what kind of website do you want to build. You can type it in your natural language, you can type it in any language, and it will automatically pass it and create it for you. So here, let's okay, I will first walk you through all the features that all the things that we currently have in the page. So here you can write the prompt. Then this is for language. You can change the language to Arabic, Chinese, or any other language that I'm not sure if you are able to see my drop down, but yes, we support more than 20 languages. And here we have two modes, which is like surprise me mode, where we totally skip all the questions of what colors palette do you want, what sections do you want, and give you the website directly. And we have a second mode, which is build it, and here you will kind of get steps in between, where we'll ask you to, we are deciding this color palette for you. Does this seem right? Do you want to change it? Do you want to switch to another color palette, and things like that. So let's go ahead and create a new website. So for prompt, I'll add it as portfolio website for a photographer who specializes in, mm, you can say, newborn babies. So at first, I'll just give it a surprise me mode. So let's just go ahead. Okay, so now I'll walk you through what's happening behind the scenes. So first, we are deciding color theme for your website. So as per your prompt, we'll decide color variables. Will automatically create it in Grigora and save it for you. We'll also create, you can say, choose Google fonts, which are appropriate to your business or whatever prompt you added. You can even mention in the prompt that I want this and this font only, so it will only select those fonts. Then along with that, we also kind of select how much content area your website should have. For example, some of the websites are very, you can say, end-to-end touching. So even if you zoom out, those are very, you can say, wide. Some of the websites are very narrow, you can say. So yes, that. Then along with that, we also generate a layout of your landing page, and we kind of break it down into different sections. And for example, first section would be your header, second section would be your hero, where we will, for this specific website, will showcase maybe it's photography, or we will have a very good heading that really sells the website. Then we'll have another where he can showcase the images that his company makes. Then yeah, so that's nearly it. And once we are satisfied with those sections, we just keep on generating each of them. And also one more thing, which is like generating those sections, we try to stick to Grigora elements itself. So what I mean by that is, as Karan said previously, all the website builders that we have currently, kind of gives you website in HTML. You cannot really edit it. So what happens is, in Grigora, these websites are actually created in Grigora elements itself. And let's say you got your website here. So here you can see that it has kind of messed up the menu. So let's just go ahead and regenerate this. Here I'll just regenerate it. If even if it doesn't give right, I'll just modify the prompt for it. Then here, it this looks good, the design, but maybe my style is, I want to have a long white touching background. So I will just modify this. I want to have a background which is complete end to end touching background image. And also, I do not want also I want two buttons. So here you just hit regenerate and it will do it for you. So let's go ahead and see this website. So here it has already break it down into different sections, and yeah, this is how the website is looking right now. Let's just wait for this to regenerate and let me publish the website.
Yeah, till the websites, till this section get regenerated, we can take some of the questions from the chat. Okay, so here is one question from Alexis, which says, is it only for regular users or also include AppSumo?
So yes, it is included in AppSumo for AppSumo users as well. It's just that if we will consume your AI credits, which is allotted to you.
Yeah, it's available for everyone, so you don't need to worry about that thing. And the another question is from Carrie Berry, which is, can we also copy another website? So as in the presentation, I showed you like this thing is on our roadmap and we are currently working on it. And I think it will be launched in early October or something like that.
Yeah.
And the another questions is Felix anytime soon. Then Netherlands, USA, Ireland, Coroloda, USA, 10:33 in morning. People are tell why no template for church. Then someone is saying why no template for church.
Yeah, so using the AI, you can just type it in your natural language, and it will build a website for you. So maybe we'll later in this demo, we'll create a website for the church as well. Let's just
Okay,
give it.
okay. And Gabriel says, how fast can I build a site with AI?
So it can be in minutes, but the thing is you will have to edit it further. You'll have to verify if all the links are properly working. You'll have to create multiple pages, and yeah, but you can say it's around 20-30 minutes. You can have a fully fledged website.
Yeah, production ready website. You can do like changes accordingly. You can regenerate the section, and I think in 20 to 30 minutes, a professional website can be generated easily using Grigora. And another question is from Silva Wolf. It says like, does it work for e-commerce too?
No, currently we do not have e-commerce in Grigora. So once we launch that, we'll kind of feed that into AI, reuse the e-commerce blocks that we have, and then build a website. So it will be able to do it in future.
Okay, so we'll take other questions later. And right now, I think the website is completely regenerated, Pratik.
Yeah, I think it messed up in the hero part, so I just gave it a go for regenerating the entire website. So
Cool.
yes, the website is regenerated, but one more thing, which is like while regenerating too, it keeps in mind your color palette, your font family, and everything, so that it only regenerates the page for you, not the entire design style. So
Yeah.
let's just publish the website and build another website. Okay, the website
Yes.
is live, and now you can see that this beautiful website, we hardly created it in few minutes itself.
And yeah, website is live and you can share it with your friends and family or for small projects. It's you can say live in 3 4 minutes. And now let's see the other way to create a website, which is kind of where you have to give little human touches. So Pratik, can you show that process as well?
Yeah, so let's first write a prompt. Let's try to write different. And agency, which is based, maybe web development agency which is based out of Bengaluru, India, which specializes in building websites in, you can say, Grigora, Wix, mm, WordPress. I think that's enough. And WordPress, that's it. Okay, so let's go to the normal mode. Okay, so here, as I said earlier, it will create color palettes for you. It will also choose font, but here you'll get a confirmation window that, hey, I'm choosing this. Do you want to select it? So let's just wait until this. Yeah, here it. So here it has given the site name, which is Codecraft Studio. Okay, you can even modify it over here, or you can. I'll just keep it as it is for now. Here you can see that it has given me three styles, which is modern professional, which has color palette of this. If you switch to vibrant creative, it has this colors. Then minimal sleek, it does these. Uh, which one do you like? Karan, can you ask in the chat?
Yeah, so can you guys tell me like which one you are liking, the vibrant, the modern, or the minimal? So I think Daniel is saying it's he prefers minimal, so you can go ahead with minimal
Okay,
right now.
all right. So let's go ahead with minimal. Okay, in next step, we will generate a landing page sections, and there you'll be able to, kind of confirm these sections. Here it has given me these breakdown of your entire landing page. It also gives you an overview of your page. What is the purpose of the page? So here it is telling me that to introduce web development agency, its expertise is in Grigora, Wix, WordPress, and so on. So here it kind of gives you these sections, and here you can also expand them and see more details. So let's say you do not have featured projects or process. So let's just, instead of process, maybe I do not have client testimonial. Let's just delete this. So and you want to add something else, which is you want to explain all your service offerings. So you add that, you drag and drop to where you want. Okay, I want it just below why choosers, and yeah, that's it. Here you can modify these sections, and let's just go ahead and generate the website. Okay, now it will kind of take care of all the things that you choose, and it will try to stick to the rules that you selected, and then it will generate the website. So, and currently I think it takes around a minute. In best cases it takes 30 seconds, in worst cases it takes around 1 minute to 1 minute 20 seconds at max. So yeah, and okay, one more thing. So now we are also revamping our editor. We kind of receive lot of support requests that, hey, how do I edit this? How do I edit this container and editor? And we have realized it too that our editor is was kind of clunky, and we have to fix it. So yeah, I have got the website, which is for the agency that I give. Then here you can see that I've got the hero part. You can see that in the color palette, there was, I think, last color which was green, and it has used it for my CTAs. And you can also see that for icons too, it is also using that same color variable. And the advantage with Grigora is like you can edit these further. So let's say you do not like this green color, you want to have blue, you can just go ahead and edit it and make it blue. So here you can see that it has generated website section wise, which is this. Then you can see that why choose us. There was one section. After that I added uh, our services section. So here I have got these good columns. So our featured projects are like this. Here it has automatically added text, which is platform WordPress, Wix, view project buttons, and so on. So also in our streamlined process, you can see that it has given me, a step-by-step columns where what do we do, how do we design, review, and launch and support. we have a good CTA just before our footer, I guess. And yeah, and here I think the padding is messed up. So yeah, we will be perfecting it. So AI can always make mistakes. So then we have, you can say, very minimalist footer
Footer
itself.
section. Yeah, because you have chosen minimalist, I think.
Yeah, so I think the design is very minimal and the colors are also good. So instead of publishing, let's just go ahead and edit the website. So you can also preview the website in tablet and mobile view. So here you can also see that the website is also already responsive. We try to optimize it for tablet and mobile every time. Some of the times it may kind of you'll have to do manual adjustment, but most of the time 90% of the work will be already done. Let's go ahead and edit this website, and now you can see the magic. Now this is a new Grigora's editor itself. So
Wow.
if you compare this with the old editor, which was this, here you
Hmm.
can see that it's very confusing. Everything is icons. I really don't know where to add elements. I do not know where is sections,
Yeah.
and, uh, it's
And we
very
got
hard.
multiple complaints also, like the left section, the left bar is not visible in many emails. Also in demos, one of our colleague told us that in their window it's not visible. So we changed how it looks. So the new one looks way much better than the old one. So now
Yeah.
you now the name are also there behind the element, like below the element, you can say.
Exactly. And now we have, kind of, we are working on to remove all the unnecessary part. We realize that uh, being minimal and having less is actually having more. So earlier we used to have lots and lots of blocks, lots and lots of settings, elements, but now going forward till these and Adria's, you can say, version rolls out till December, you'll see lot of changes and lot of the settings getting deprecated, and we'll just have very compact and sleek settings for everything. So I'll first walk you through all the changes in editor, which is like earlier there was a site title editing over here, and we realized that no one actually needs to edit the site every day. So like, why not just use that space for tablet, mobile, and this view. So this we have it over here. Then in left hand sidebar we have add elements. This is now much more clean. We have good boxes here, and many of the you can say elements are removed from here. So it's kind of less confusing, and you it will help you to learn. We are going to add buttons over here, which is like info button. After clicking it, it will take you to the video or guide for that specific element. So yes, we are still working on the editor itself. So here you have components, pages, theme. Also, one more thing, we realized that we had a broken structure where we had colors here, typography there, and we kind of we are merging it into a theme itself. So here theme, you can see that we have colors and typography. The If you can remember, while creating the website, it suggested me these exact colors. So if you go ahead here and let's say you change this to blue, purple, and yeah, that's it. You don't even have to do anything else. Your entire website, even the icon colors will be changed now. Then you can edit typography, and yeah. So here, let's say you have to regenerate a section. Let's regenerate this one. I want
And I
to
just want to mention, like, this section is just launched in Adrastea. Previously, we have block feature instead of sections, and it was bit confusing, and
yeah.
people are not able to use it properly. So that's why we have added this section thing in Grigora.
Yeah. So regenerate, I think I already gave it a demo. So rather than waiting for 10 seconds, let's just create an add of one section, which is you can, in every section, you'll get these nudges, which is like add section. Do you want to add it here? Let's go ahead and add it, and let's create it with AI. So I want to showcase the location of my agency, which is Bengal, which is, you can say, mm, Kabban Park, Bengaluru, India. And I want two columns, uh, text text address on left and a Google map on right. Let's just create it.
So I just wanna mention like the more specific you are, the good, the more better the result you will get. So
Yeah.
you may need to be specific if you want to. Yeah, it's really fast this time.
Yeah, so here you can see that as per your prompt, the more you explain in the prompt, the more better it will always be. And also, it always tries to use the internal elements. It will never ever use the custom HTML unless you kind of ask it to build a calculator or something, which is not possible in Grigora. So for that, it will even use the custom HTML. That's the beauty. But yeah, if you give it a good prompt, it will use the internal elements itself. So if you go to this, select this, open, let me just open the settings, layers. This is second column, Google Map. And yeah, for Google Map, you can see that the location is automatically added to Kabban Park, Bengaluru. I can even edit it and do stuff like that. And also, for I want to mention that is images. If you have images in your website, it will automatically add image alt text, do all the compliances, which is like so that you do not have to, after publishing your website, you do not have to come back to the website
Yeah.
and see if there is ultimate alt tag is missing or not. So yeah, we are uh, really taking everything into consideration here.
Hmm.
So let's
That's
just create one more page for our website, which would be like services page.
yeah.
So let's create a page with AI. So here you can create the entire page for your website using AI, which is like services. My link would be services. I want to showcase the services that we provide. We specialize in what you can say modern and sleek UIs, and especially for AI companies. Okay, let's go ahead and create.
Okay, till the time the page gets generated, if you have any other questions, you can just put it in the comment section and we will take it one by one. So, have we taken this question? Does it work for e-commerce? So,
Uh,
no, we are this, Adrastea is not made for e-commerce, but maybe in future when our third or fourth version get launched, maybe then you will see e-commerce in that. And another question is, can AI write content for? Uh, yeah, AI can write content for, and it's kind of available in our blogs where you can just write the keyword and the complete blog with layout gets generated. And another question is, will it help with SEO stuff?
Yes. So with SEO, we already take, as I told you, for image alt text, we automate everything. We also make sure everything is responsive. We only have one H1s in your pages. So yes, technical SEO, we always take care of everything. But some of the things are really not on our hand, like you have to submit it in Google Search Console and so on. So the on-page thing, yes, we uh, do care about that.
And the another question is, can I edit design after AI builds it? And I
Yes, you
think,
can.
yeah, we have answered it because you have shown the live demo of kind of editing the style. Modern Pro, minimal, Modern Pro is
Yeah, so
a, yeah. Please
here,
continue.
okay, so here you can see that my page is kind of ready.
Mm-hmm.
Here, uh, yes, it messed up the padding. So, okay, as he asked the question, can I edit this? So rather than just reprompting everything, you can just simply select this, go to settings as usual, change the layout to add the padding, and yeah, that's it. So everything is built inside Grigora. Everything has its own set of settings, so you
Yeah.
can edit it anytime you want. You
Yeah,
can even
because in other AI generator website builder, there is no option to edit. You have to just keep
exactly.
regenerating, and then all of your credits get exhausted, and then you have to wait for another month.
Yeah. So yeah, my services page is here. You can see that in the prompt, I mentioned that we create sleek and modern UIs, and here we have it. So let's. Am I missing anything in the demo? No, that's it. Let's just publish the website once.
And
So yeah,
yeah, your website is live.
and yeah, that's it. It only took us a few minutes to build the website, and everything you can, if you go back to dashboard, exit, you can see that everything is the same. It's just that we kind of took the manual work of yours to create the website, and we just used AI to. You can go if you go back to site editor. It's you can just re-edit anything, everything.
Cool. And then we have another set of question from Michelle Cruz, which says Traya. Korea. I think it's written in Spanish,
Mhm.
as I can say like it's in Spanish. I think I don't know what she's saying. It's like try us. Maybe she wanna something create. I think she want us to try her prompt. We'll do it later. Okay, then we have another question. So Pratik, can you do one thing? Can you take Michelle Cruz's prompt and can you try this like in live on the
Sure.
Grigora?
Yeah, sure. Let me just check it, which is.
Michelle Cruz.
Mm, yeah, got it. Mm, prompt, which is Google Translate.
Can you share the screen as well?
Yeah, sure. Okay, but the prompt says that create a clothing brand website for e-commerce. As I said, like you cannot create e-commerce in Grigora, so this prompt would not work actually. So we'll have to test it with another prompt. Can you just drop another prompt which is kind of excludes e-commerce, because we do not have that.
Okay, we'll tell the chat. And then we have another question, which is, can it create tabs on page instead?
Can we?
Can it create tabs on page instead?
Uh, Perhaps yes. I'll have to recheck with the team whether it has the context of tabs,
I think it
but
will be able to.
it will do it.
Yeah. Uh, then we have another question from Christina, which says, good demo. When will you roll out email feature? I think she's talking about the email inbox feature, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So I think we'll be rolling out it in November. You can say mid November to end November. The email inbox feature will be live. Then we have another question from Lionel, which says coming in late, but when will the AI be available to AppSumo customer? I do not see it. So yeah, AI feature is available for everyone who has signed up for Grigora. It doesn't matter whether you are from AppSumo, whether you are a AppSumo user or a normal user. It just depends on how many credits you have. If you have around 10,000 credits, then you can easily generate a fully fledged website. If you don't, then you can't. It just depends on how many credits you have. And talking about the rolling out of the AI website builder feature, I think it will be rolled out today itself. The basic AI building website feature will be rolled out today. And you have to just join the wait list. And I think after few minutes, I'll be sharing the link in the screen and also in the comments so that you can join the waitlist. And after this demo ends, we'll start giving the access to AI website builder one by one.
And one more thing, we will be having a promotional period for a week where you can, use the AI unlimited. After that, we'll set a price on that. But the purpose of this promotional period is to, kind of get the feedback, what is working, what is not,
Yeah.
so that as a community, we can just help each other.
Yeah, so you will get unlimited number of AI credits for next week as well. So you can try and create as many as website. And please do let us know on the support chat or hello@grigora.co so that we can improve from your suggestions, whatever in your mind, and whatever features you want to include in the AI feature as well. So please do let us know. And then we have another question from Wealthy Go Marketing, which says, "Can UI be changed after made by Can UI be changed after made by prompt?" Yeah, you
Absolutely.
can. Yeah, you can do that. Then we have another question from Baltikio Marketing Sim. He says, "If I copy paste text landing page from another page to Grigora prompt, does it works?"
Yeah, so rather than that, we are will be adding more tools over here, similar to like ChatGPT. They have that tool, right, to upload image, to upload artwork, or link to anything. Then you'll be able to kind of clone it or just link it to whatever document that you.
So another question from 767 Media Works, which says, "How many credits for AppSumo plans does a website creation take? Say with AI with AI says 3 pages, like 3 pages." He's asking like for three
Hmm.
pages, how many AI credits it will take.
Uh, we are not really sure about the credit limit because, sorry, the credit consumption, because we have to roll it out this week, and then after this promotional event ends, uh, we will only be able to give you an estimate by that. But
But I
yeah,
think
it won't that
it
much.
will be less than 10,000.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, it will be less than 10,000 credits. And then we have another question from Baltico Marketing, which says, "Can I make a multilingual blog?" So, yeah, multilingual, I think no, but you can generate a website on any language you want.
Karan, can you do one thing? Can anyone in the chat try to add prompt so that we can just test it or demo it over here,
Okay, okay, okay.
and we can
So
put this demo.
please share. So I have, kind of commented on YouTube saying like, please share your prompt so that we can, kind of test one of the prompt from the users live. Okay, right now we haven't got any comments. So till people are commenting, uh, I just wanna flash the early access link. So I think the early access link might be live for you guys on YouTube. So you can go to this link, like which is grigora.co/early access, and just enter your name and email there. And the once we roll out the AI feature, you will be the first one to get a hands on it. So we'll be kind of rolling it in next 1 to 2 hours. So be ready in your email as well. So I haven't got any questions regarding prompt. So then we have another question from AI Me Anything. Will you have an API that lets me use my own LLM?
Hmm. For No, currently the website building part, we are using our own LLM because we do not want to, kind of give away the engineering system engineer prompting engineering that we have done. So for that, I do not think you'll be able to use your own LLM, but yeah, in future we might be able to give it.
Okay, cool. So I think you can just try a prompt of your own. Like someone told about the clothing brand. So can you create it in Hindi, because as we are in
Oh,
Indian. Yeah,
church website. There was one prompt which was
yeah,
for,
church
let's,
website.
yeah, website for a church, uh, where we showcase the good things that we have done, that we do. That's it. Let's just, what should I do? Surprise me. Oh, I think we got a prompt which is from David, which is build a modern, responsive business website for a property. Uh,
Yeah. Now we
we
got
also,
multiple prompts. Like we have
yeah.
another prompt from Raven, a cute website about stuffed animals. Are there any advanced new slider gallery items in new update? Yeah, we are planning to roll out them soon. 767 Media Works says, are there any advanced new? Yeah, these are all in progress, and you will be, and I think it will be rolled out next month in the early Octobers. So you will then be able to create advanced sliders, galleries, and testimonials, marquees, etc. So these things all be covered in early October update.
Awesome. So we have built a website for church, which is this. The image is automatically up. You can see that it matches to my theme, which is for church. Uh, Here we have a community and values, or impact in the community, then upcoming events and services. And I think this is pretty good template.
Mhm.
Oh, nice. It gave me a map as well. Yeah, so you can see that it only took about a minute to create. This you can use as a starting point. Of course, you can make it much more better if you uh, uh, keep on improving the prompts, and then otherwise you can just edit it manually if you want to.
So yeah, I think we have done a pretty good job of demoing everything that we have right now, and I think now it's you can say time to wrap things up. So before wrapping things up, you guys already have the link to join the early access, and I just wanna say like some of the features of Adrastea will go live for early access users today. and you can sign up and try them within the next 2 hours, and the rest will keep rolling until December. So you need to stay tuned for that and keep checking your inbox. So I think as we wrap up today's session, I just wanna leave you guys with one thought that I read recently. That is, I think it's goes like, it's not just about building perfection. It's about shipping them faster, because the sooner something is out in the world, the sooner it can be tested, refined, and made better. So at Grigora, we believe in progress over perfection. So we'd rather put these powerful tools in your hands today, and so that you guys can explore, push boundaries, even break things, and then we can use your feedback to make them stronger and better. So if I want to say, like, if you just are excited as we are, so please join the wait list and be among the first to experience Adrastea, and share your voice and help us shape the next chapter of website building. Thank you.
Bye bye.